This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Was Sent Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. And today, baby, I am so excited because a lot of you have been asking me like, hey, are you gonna be opening up this? And today, baby, today's the day. I'm talking about the Monsters Hair Salon series, okay? If you have not seen these little angels, okay, you're missing out, okay? They look certifiably insane, and for that very reason, I love them even more. I feel like this whole collection was made for me because they are just so insane. I feel like people are very much divided. They either are like, that is hideous, or like, that is the best thing ever. And to me, this is the best thing ever because they're so camp. They're so good. And there is one in this box that as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, that's Casey Becker from Scream, okay? But then the more I look at it, I'm like, oh, no. It's a mix between Martha Stewart and Casey Becker. If they had a baby, that's what... That's what this one would be. And I'm so excited to open this. And I hope the blind box gods are on our side today and I get this. Although the secret is pretty fun. It kind of looks like Ric Flair, the Nature Boy, but whatever, we'll get there. But before I open up the madness and we dive into these little cuties, I do want to say a very special thank you to Pop Boxes because they were kind enough to give me this whole set. So thank you so much to Pop Boxes. I love your faces. And listen, if you've been with me for some time, then you know how much I adore them. Because not only do they send me stuff, but I am a loyal customer. I love them because they have fast shipping, good pricing, and amazing variety. When I'm looking for something specific, technically like region specific, I cannot find it anywhere. Pop Boxes, they got me covered. Things I didn't even think existed is on Pop Box's website. I'm like, oh my God, like what is this? Click, 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 add to cart. I love them. So I invite you to definitely go check out Pop Boxes because every day I feel like something different is on there, whether it's things that are gonna be coming out, things you never heard of, or just really, really good deals. But if you ever wanna save yourself a little bit of money, use the code Theresa and you can save 15% off your order. Again, I love you, Pop Boxes. Thank you so much. And now let's get into the madness. Okay. So here's what she looks like. All right. Let's open this bad boy up. There's 6 boxes. 6 boxes. And let me tell you, this whole thing is pretty heavy. Like I'm actually kind of surprised how heavy they are. So I'm going to put them out individually in front of me just to make it even more dramatic. Here are all your options. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I need that warm oat. Although Blue Prelude looks like she will murder you. And I love that. Oh my God, I love it. She is a Lifetime movie and I'm here for it. Then you have After Rain, which basically looks like the Morton Salt girl. Then you have Coastal Vibes, which bitch, his name is Bryce, okay? He looks like a Bryce. Love Island Bryce, okay? I love it. Velvet Noon, which is pretty much, I feel like the Makoko, right? Oh, it is the Makoko, isn't it? It has like a little heart-shaped nose. Bitch, is this really? And then you have Born Rebel, which I keep calling Sia, okay? So let's see, what do I think this one's gonna be? I kind of have a feeling this is gonna be After Rain. I don't know why. I just feel like it's gonna be After Rain. If it's not After Rain, it's going to be Blue Prelude. It's gonna be one of those two, but I think it's gonna be After Rain. Let's see if I'm remotely right. Oh. Ooh! This is good. Okay. First of all, I love that there's an option of like a drawstring or like you could just rip it open. Because that's the one thing that I hate about the drawstrings. It's like, I don't like that. I like being able to rip it open. It's so much more satisfying. So I'm gonna shut up. I think After Rain, my salt girl. Ooh, good rip. Okay. Oh God, it's gonna be a long day. No, but I was technically kind of right. I did say it was gonna be the other bitch. Blue Prelude. Oh, look at all this stuff. Okay, hold on. Okay, first of all, love the card. You cannot tell me that she doesn't murder people in her spare time, okay? She looks like a serial killer. Oh, shut up. Stop it. Okay, first of all, these are instructions, okay, and how to care for your baby's hair. I can't. All right, hold on. We got to rescue her. We need to get her out of her little hair net. She does look like this is like lunch lady. Like, hello, I'm a lunch lady and I love it. I'm here for it. Lunch ladies are amazing. Okay, can I tell you, this is so much more insane in person in the best way possible. Like, why wasn't this a thing? I need a brush. What are we doing? Hold on, I need to make her look presentable. Let me get a brush, hold on. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna take my ColourPop my ColourPop brush. And we're gonna brush her hair because she looked kind of a little crazy when she came out. Okay. Let me tell you something. There is something special about this one. When I saw like how she looked online, I immediately thought of like Serial Mom. I immediately thought of that character. But this, I don't know, like she kind of gives like head of the HOA. And I'm kind of like a little bit scared of her, but also like, she's also, I feel like sexual napalm, you know? She looks like she gets down, all right? And I kind of love that. She is really cute. I love her little dress. And she is really fucking precious. And I just can't. This is Heather. Heather or Kathy. You know what? No, you look like a Kathy. This is Kathy at the HOA. She kind of just walks up and down with a little ruler. Checking to see if your grass is a couple of inches. But during the block party, bitch gets down, okay? She gets down and you often find her making out with somebody behind a trash can. And I love that. And I'm here for that. Kathy, you're here to stay, okay? Box number 2. Okay, who do I think this is gonna be? I think this is gonna be Born Rebel. If it's not Born Rebel, I think it's gonna be Velvet Noon. But I think it's gonna be Born Rebel. Oh God, oh God. Not nice, oh God. I did not like how I had to open that up. That was like a pure animal. All right, I think Sia. No! Ah, it's my Coco! Oh my God, okay, first of all. Oh, she is so good. And let me tell you something. My mom is gonna see this and she's gonna try to steal it from me. I know her. I know her because I am her, okay? And this is everything. Okay, so there's a card. First of all, she's like trapped. She's like a little mermaid. She's trapped. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you are so... I'm sorry. I know Butterbear was like Charlotte Tilbury. I think it should have been her. And I love Butterbear, okay? But this is my pillow talk. Like, I love this so much. She's kind of giving fembot mixed with a Charlotte Tilbury model. Okay, and you cannot tell me otherwise. She is so good. The hair feels really good. I feel like it actually feels better than my hair. And I washed my hair today, but she has better hair than I do. Like, oh, that's so good. Look at her. Oh, she is serving such bitch. She is expensive. You're never going to know what it's like to be with her, okay? I love this. I love this. Oh, Charlotte. We're gonna call you Charlotte. Hold on, let me just brush your hair because it is a little wild. Okay. Oh, you're precious. Okay, I know we're not supposed to be lifting up dresses. I know. But like, she has a little white belly though. I love her so much. Nice little Makoko. Okay, because I have technically one other Makoko. It's a little Halloween. I was about to say it's a little Halloween bitch, but she's such a pretty little princess. I love her. They're like little adorable sisters. Oh my God, I can't. The bellies are so cute. Okay. She's gorgeous. I can't. I love her. I love her. You're a bitch. I love it. And I respect it, okay? I respect it. All right, box number 3. I think this is gonna be my Casey Becker. If it's not my Casey Becker, it's going to be Born Rebel. One or the other. I fucking knew it. See ya! Okay. Oh my God, first of all, we gotta rescue you. You look smushed. She is... Okay, she's kind of giving... Okay, I know I was like, all right, she looks like Sia. She also kind of looks like Garth. And I kind of want to dye the hair like platinum blonde to be Garth. I think I should do this. I do have time on my hands, but like, she's so good. Oh, I love her. Okay, she sheds though. This little lady, Garth sheds, but it's okay though. It's okay, we love you. We're just gonna comb your hair. We're gonna comb your hair and make you look perfect, like the little angel that you are. This is absolutely insane. But this is Garth. We love Garth and we're here for it and we're gonna dye your hair blonde. Oh my God, I can't. This series is like insane in the best way possible. Okay, here we go. There's Garth. We love Garth. I have 3 boxes left. I have not pulled my Casey Becker. I and I'm a little upset, okay? Because I need her. I don't think this is gonna be Casey Becker. I kind of have a feeling this is going to be Bryce. He's giving Bryce energy. If it's not Bryce, I think it's going to be After Rain. It's going to be one of those two, but I think it's going to be Bryce. Oh God. Oh God. I knew it. Okay. Listen, I could tell that this was Bryce. Oh, what are you doing? You're still on Love Island. How are you here? Okay. This is our Love Island Bryce, okay? You cannot tell me otherwise, okay? Oh, where's Trinity? All right, hold on, let me just go. We gotta zhuzh your hair up. Ah, Bryce, the humidity on that island is not doing you any favors, okay? I love Bryce. Bryce is good. Bryce is just, he is just kind of an asshole. But listen, we kind of grow to love him, okay? At first, we're a little confused. We're like, why are you pulling Kata out of nowhere? But then we're like, oh no, like Trinity is your person. And like, we then love him. But then we also have a mutual understanding that if you hurt Trinity, we will hurt you, Bryce, okay? So... This is our Bryce. Hello. Okay, he will be signing autographs at, I was about to say at the Piggly Wiggly. Oh, okay, moving on. All right, we have 2 more boxes left. I think this one's gonna be my After Rain, and I think this one's gonna be Warm Oat. But I think this is gonna be my After Rain. Let's see if I'm right. Oh wait, did I show you the card? I did not, hold on. How rude of me. Wait, we gotta put that back. Let me show you the card first. Let me show you this delicious little card. Okay, there you go, there's the card. All right, back to manhandling this box. Yes! Ah! Okay, first of all, I did not guess correctly, but I'm so happy to have her! Okay, this is Casey Becker, okay? Oh, making popcorn. I love her. Okay. I love you, but you're gonna die in the first couple of minutes of Scream. I'm so sorry. But you're gonna be so iconic. You're literally gonna be on the poster. Oh my God, like, I don't know. Like, she is kind of giving, no, my assumption was correct. She is like a half Casey Becker, half Martha Stewart, okay? Like, I'm almost like wanting her to show me a tablescape. And I am fucking here for both of it. This is so good. All right, like, where's the brush? I need to brush her hair. You look a little crazy. Thank you, my love. I want to watch movies with you, but I also want you to make me a fun cocktail, okay? Well, no, wait, that's actually more of Sandra Lee, but whatever, we're in the same boat, okay? She is so good. And can I tell you, fun fact, when I go up to New York in October, I'm gonna be staying with a couple of friends, and I may or may not bring her with me, and we may or may not try to make clothes for her to look a little bit more like Casey Becker. Yep. What do you do on your downtime? Okay. I love her. Oh, you're everything. You're everything. Okay. We have last box left. Okay. This is either going to be The Secret or After Rain, but I think it's going to be After Rain. If it is a secret, that is going to be surprising, but I think it's going to be After Rain. However, I realized I'm so bad at this. Got to throw the box away. Ugh. Here's the card. The card is everything. So cute. Love the card. Okay. After Rain. I don't think we're lucky. Can I tell you how much I love this one? Oh, I love this one so much. Oh, it's so good. Okay, hold on. Oh, shut up. Okay, wait a second. I'm sorry. Hold on. We could put her little hood up. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Hold on, we're gonna open up her little jacket. Hold on. I am going to, well, first of all, let me show you the full fantasy. She's wearing a little white on white ensemble, which I mean, kind of looks a little like I escaped from the institution, but it's okay. It's okay. We love her little yellow rain slicker, kind of giving Gordon's Fisherman a little bit. Again, here for it. But most importantly, it really does look like the Morton Salt girl. Now, her hair, super curly, love that. I love the yellow, I love the blue. I think those play very well. But now I am going to put this, shut up. This is the, okay, I think this one might be my number one. Okay, there's a little finessing that I have to, I'm gonna try to finesse this, hold on. We gotta comb her hair. Now let's put her little hood on. Oh my God. First of all, I don't know why I love like little characters and like little raincoats. I think it's because I live in Florida. The weather here is so topsy-turvy that you technically need a poncho any day of the week, you know, because you never know it's just going to torrential downpour. And this would be something that I could just see myself walking around with. Be like, I'm protected, they're protected. Like, and you probably just literally saw this video on Sunday, but I have a Twinkle Twinkle that has a little bit of a raincoat. And I also have a little Minions that has a raincoat. And now I feel so powerful. I feel so powerful. This is so good. Her raincoat is fucking everything. And I love it. I love it. I think you might actually be like number 2, actually. Okay, hold on. Let me show you the card. There's the card. And now, without further ado, we're gonna rank them because they're kind of blowing my mind because they're way cuter in person. Online, they're adorable. Again, camp, very campy. But in person now, very, very, very cute. And actually really, really well made. Like the hair is like sewed in. Like, she's cute. Oh, this is kind of hard because oh man, all right. In last place, the bottom of the pyramid is gonna be Bryce from Love Island. I love you, Bryce. I love your little ensemble, but I just think the other ladies on the table are just really, really, they're cuter than you. But you're still really adorable though. And I love your hair. And again, don't hurt Trinity. You're number 6. Number 5. Ooh, I think number 5 is gonna go to Garth. Now, when I dye this hair, when I bleach this hair, and make it look more like Garth and get like tiny glasses, then you might be literally number 2. But for right now, you have to be number 5. But let me tell you, this is so Garth. Oh my God, I love it. Number 5. Number 4, oh, Kathy. Kathy, we love a Kathy here, okay? We love a Kathy. Only during the block party. We hate Kathy otherwise. Kathy, I cannot stand during the weekdays, but during happy hour, Kathy comes alive. And for that very reason, you're number 4. Oh, she's so good. She actually surprised me how cute she is. Kathy, you're number 4. Now, number 3, I'm gonna say number 3 is my Makoko. And I know, again, I shouldn't be lifting her dress up, but I just love her little round belly and it has like a little white patch and it's so cute. But I do love that she is literally like baby Charlotte Tilbury, okay? This should have been the Charlotte Tilbury spokesperson, okay? Pillow talk. I love this so much. I love this so much. It's so good. It's giving fembot. It's giving buy a $50 lipstick and I'm fucking here for it. So that's number 3. Number 2, I'm kind of surprised, but I think because the fact that you can shove her little head and make her wear a little hood just makes it so much better. She is so good. I love her. I love her so much. So my little salt girl is number 2. She's so good. But listen, my number 1 and always will be Casey Becker. She is my favorite. Oh my God, I cannot wait. I seriously cannot wait to make her look a little bit more like Casey Becker, okay? And then she's gonna go with me everywhere because we gotta make sure that she survives. She's so cute. I love her. I can't. This is so good. These exceeded my expectations and then some. They're really, really cute. If you were kind of on the fence about them, don't be. Like, it's like psychotic how adorable these are. Oh my God. I love them. I can't. I love them so much. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these or do you have the secret? Do you have Ric Flair Nature Boy? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to Pop Boxes for sending me this beautiful set. And again, if you ever want to save some money on your order, feel free to use the code Theresa, and you can save 15% off your order. And of course, most importantly, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your little adorable faces, and we'll see you little garbage bags real soon. Bye.